Chancho.
No, Pancho.
Sancho.
No, Rancho.
Nancho. No, es gancho.
Gancho will be.
Yes, today we are going to see the technique for gancho.
If you are ready, let's get right away to the dance floor, but make sure to leave a like if you are enjoying this.
Okay, here we are, and we have the Nacho.
No, Pancho.
Okay, yeah, whatever. Gancho and the hook.
So here we are. We are doing the gancho, just in case you are confused. We are doing this. We are going to show you first a figure. Boom, boom, boom. In regular speed. 1 and 2 and 3 and quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Just to put a little bit of flavor when we have the dynamic.
Things to know for followers. Don't do the gancho by yourself, just guessing that, okay, gancho is coming here. Because he can do other figures from the same place, same lead, until one point. So if you are anticipating and doing the gancho, you already set the move and have no options to do another figure.
Yes. So, one thing, let's do it one more time, very, very quick. How we enter? We want to enter from an Americana into the gancho. So the best way, the easiest way to get into Americana is a little voleo to accommodate and mirror position. Americana means mirror position, just in case. So from here, I will send her just a slightly bit of axis, and that will be from the elbow out, just a tiny, tiny, tiny bit. So we go out, and I will bring her back to axis, and I will encounter that leg moving a little bit front. So once we have that, I will transfer body weight, and that will send her back off axis again, and I will pull back for her to cross. I'm switching body weight to my left, and she needs to uncross. I will lift, that's for the leader, and from here, we're going to syncopate. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, just the exit.
So things to also know for the leaders.
Stop before we continue to the second part of this video.
We have an online tango school, and it's called Online Tango Training.
This is a membership based on our website, and you are going to be able to access over 250 videos about vals, tango, milonga, technique for followers, for leaders, all the styles, follow along exercises, you name it.
Also rancho. No.
No.
Let's go back to the video. For followers and leaders, we have this position where we are stretching the position, and if you notice, he's bringing me to axis, and you are moving forward, right?
Forward, yeah.
This is very important, very important. So this is what happened. This is correct. I'm in axis, he's moving to create a position for the gancho, and we are not sharing axis at the moment. It's only gancho, but I'm on my axis, he's in his own axis.
One thing that we don't do is moving leaders here and bringing her all the way with you. That won't be proper.
Let's show that. This is wrong. Don't do it. But this is what you don't have to do.
Boom, 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 boom. Yes? Feels heavy.
Leaning.
Yeah, leaning. It's not actually proper. Yes? You may see it at the milonga, but it doesn't mean it's correct.
Unless you do a gancho and then apilado or volcada of axis position. But in regular ganchos, the leader is coming to the center. So we do the gancho in our own axis. We don't have to lean, move away. And then we unwind the gancho to go to the next position.
Yes. Let us show you from the other side so you see another pointers. Here we go. So we start up with the side step, a little bit of voleo. Here we go. Out, encounter center, out, cross. She's not ready to walk. Another common mistake that leader tends to do is this right shoulder having a tendency to move forward. This is bad news for her. Go up with the rib cage so she uncrosses and walk out, first lowering. Do not go with your head. Lower to go quick, quick, slow, and then you can resolve quick with slow or with another dynamic.
So you have some points for gancho. There is many, many more, but we do it on the next video, right?
Yes.
Awesome. Thanks for watching the video until the end.
We really appreciate your support. It means a lot to us. Also, the comments you are giving, we are reading all of them, and we appreciate that very, very much.
Thank you so much, and see you on the next one.
Bye.